Hey guys and gals, Todd from Lowbrow Customs here again. Today we're going to show you some new grips that we just started stocking. They're made by ODI in conjunction with Vans shoes, right? You know what Vans shoes are, right? Everybody wears those, right? Skateboard at the beach, you got your Vans on? Well, you can put some Vans on your motorcycle grips. They look like shoes, but they're grips. They're called Vans V-Twin lock-on grip system. They have billet aluminum. They have a locking system, no grip glue needed. They're made in the US of A. They're about 5 inches long. They're available in a bunch of other different colors. All right, let's go ahead and open the box and take a good look at these new grips. Before we get them installed, we'll show you some close-ups of them and these awesome features that I just described. Well, already I'm liking the packaging. Here's our throttle tube side. And take note, it's got a built-in throttle tube, so no need to shove your new grip on your throttle tube. That can always be a pain in the butt, depending on what grips it is. It comes with a little wrench. And this is your clutch side with the locking system that we're gonna demonstrate. No slip, great grip. All right, well, since I've never installed this kind of grip before, let's take a look at the instructions. They're in the bottom of the box. I know what you're thinking. I'm a trained professional. But hey, sometimes I need to look at instructions too. Well, after looking at those instructions, I decided to forget that nonsense because they're assuming that we have a whole bunch of extra stuff, which we do not on this motorcycle. So we're gonna boil it down to, we're gonna start with the clutch side. We're gonna use the provided T15 Allen wrench. There's two little tiny T15 fasteners on this grip. We're gonna go ahead and loosen those up. Not a big deal. Pretty simple. Bada bing, loosen, loosen. And oh, I can see down between the crack that it's making there that there's some Loctite pre-applied to them, so no Loctite necessary. And we're gonna slide this on the bar, and you can see that we're gonna put the checkerboard side facing up because that's gonna look way cooler than if we put the silly fasteners facing up. Not only that, the end of the grip, and it also has the grip logo on the top part of it. Simply gonna slide it over the handlebar, like so. Oh, and she gets real tight. I haven't even tightened the screws yet. Wow, that's pretty awesome. I'm really liking these so far. And oh man, would you feel that? Oh man, that's wonderful. All right, I've decided I'm not gonna tighten the clutch side grip until I get the throttle side installed. And the reason for that is because wherever this ends up, I want that side to look the same as this side for the little checkerboard pattern and the grip so that when you're looking from side to side, it doesn't look unusual. I just want it to look uniform. One other thing, I know we've been over this before. Cable lube, it's your friend. Anytime you've got this stuff discombobulated, that's your opportunity to lube your cables. You'd be really surprised how well a lubricated cable works versus one that's dry. I better not get any of this on my hands. God, this is smelly. All right, we've also been over how to install a throttle cable. So we're just gonna proceed with the installation here. I like to have these all the way turned down. Makes life much easier. And there's cable lube spooging all over me. But you really should de-adjust these throttle idle cables all the way down. That's going to give you the most available amount of cable sticking out. Obviously, we're going to put this one on first because it's much shorter than the other one at this point in time. Hey, you know what? We can do this more than one way to skin a cat. Okay, there we go. We'll put that one on like that, and we'll slide that on there like that. Look at that. We got that one on there, no problem. So whatever you got to do to get these silly little chingas that Harley felt the need to put on here installed. Like you gotta have 3 frickin' hands to do this job. No, you don't. We'll get her. And there we go. Woo! It's staying up there now because they're both on there. We're gonna go ahead and put our top cap on. I'm just gonna lightly install this. And turn my cable adjusters a bit before I completely tighten it, just to make sure I'm not pinching anything inside there. So I'm not gonna completely tighten this right now. snugging it up. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and come back over here, take the slack out of these. And once again, you always wanna have some free play in your cables. You don't want your cables to be so tight that as soon as you touch your throttle, it's going. We've also been over this before, but we're gonna say it again. If you run the end of this grip all the way up against the end of the bar, it will drag. So the best method is to push it all the way up and then move it back ever so slightly and tighten it down, which we can go ahead and do that now. You always want to check operation of make sure your brake, everything's clearing there when you're tightening your throttle. This looks like a good spot to go ahead and tighten down. I think I'm gonna roll it this way just a skosh. And don't overdo it. Don't want to tear things up. This is also pretty awesome lowbrow custom throttle control available on the website to go with your new grips. If you're getting rid of your switch housings, this is the one I recommend. Okay, so now that I've got my throttle side set where I like it, I can go ahead and turn this one so that they match. So they look symmetrical. That looks pretty good right there. We'll go ahead and tighten down the screws on here, set screws, for a very firm and wonderful installation. So I use the long end to get them down, and now I'm gonna use this end to fully tighten them. All right, that wraps up Van's ODI grip installation. Real down and dirty, quick and easy modification you can make to your motorcycle. These seem like they're very high quality, really nice feeling, awesome grips. They're also available in Throttle by Wire. Head on over to lowbrowcustoms.com, get you a set, and you know what to do after that. Go for a ride. Woo!